Scale analytics faster with Tableau Cloud. My name is Evan Slotnick. I'm a PM director at Tableau. I'm focused on Tableau Cloud, specifically in the enterprise space, working with customers day in, day out to understand their needs, their pain points, et cetera. I've been at Tableau for about 6 years.
And my name is Scott Smith. I'm also a product manager. Same team as Evan, so I work with the enterprises to help them adopt our SaaS analytics offering. And fun fact about Evan and I, we actually started on the same day and met in boot camp about 5.5 years ago.
Yep. Before we get started, make all purchasing decisions on currently available products. Since Salesforce is a publicly traded company, we had to show everyone's favorite slide. All right. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are nothing without our community, which we refer to as the Data Fam. So thank you so much, our customers, partners, even our teammates as well. So why do so many users choose Tableau Cloud for their data analytic needs? Right? Gartner has said that we have been a leader in visual analytics for the last 10 years. And with each passing day, we've been gathering momentum. We have designed Tableau Cloud to align with the goal of helping our customers make and achieve a competitive advantage, right? What distinguishes us then? Tableau Cloud is a complete SaaS offering, allowing our customers to access their data from anywhere, unbound by the limitations of traditional servers. So trust is our #1 priority at Salesforce and Tableau. And we leverage the industry-leading security toolset that Amazon Web Services provides. And that enables us to ensure that your data is private and secure. So let's take a look at one of our customers, Jaguar Land Rover. Specifically, they came to us because they're undergoing a ton of innovation. Right? Their chief data officer came to us and said, electric is a once-in-a-generation engineering challenge for them. So they took a two-pronged approach to this. First, they developed a self-service analytical culture, and they needed to stay a step ahead of their competition. So first, they doubled down on their internal center of excellence called InDigital. That enabled champions across the business for them and allowed for that digital transformation to occur. Second is they chose to pivot to Tableau Cloud. This eliminated the delays they were seeing from performance issues and waiting on infrastructure teams to ready new capacity. Choosing Tableau Cloud has helped them scale analytics rapidly across their organization to over 36,000 people. They call that the unlimited scale of Tableau Cloud. And so they rely on us to manage the service for them so that they can focus on the things that they need to the most, which is their time. And their analytics organization drove over £250 million in business value for them. I speak with customers day in and day out. This is the narrative we continuously hear, is that people are turning to Tableau Cloud so that they can focus on their most important assets. So as part of our global reach, we utilize a pod-based multi-tenant architecture hosted on AWS. That supports these geographically distinct pods. At present, we have 12 pods spread out around the globe, strategically placed to maximize flexibility. The first is in North America, second in EMEA, and third in APAC. We are focusing in these regions to maximize that. As is common for pod-based cloud services, each customer's site is located geospecifically onto a pod to reduce latency and to safeguard against data privacy compliance, such as GDPR. However, regardless of where you are hosted, you will experience the same Tableau Cloud on any of our pods. And Tableau Cloud grows bigger every single year, but we remain scalable. We service more than 1.9 million users on almost 40,000 sites, 2 million workbooks, and about 1 million data sources. Our customers choose Tableau Cloud because they want the capabilities and features that define the Tableau experience, but also have the ease and reliability of it being hosted for them. And it's efficient, it's fast, and it's consistent. In a typical week, we service 8.5 million views, roughly 2.5 million publishing activities, and 850 subscriptions. 850,000, excuse me. So let's take a quick peek under the hood of how we make this enterprise ready. Red Hat is a prime example of how Tableau Cloud helps organizations achieve enterprise scale. With Tableau, they doubled their data adoption in only 3 months to thousands of their employees. Simultaneously, they broke down data silos. Now consumers make quick, confident, data-based decisions at Red Hat. So what does it look like behind the scenes? Each pod is designed to host thousands of customer sites within a multi-tenant environment. Pods are hosted in AWS. They're highly available. They're distributed across multiple availability zones. And each pod is fronted by that elastic load balancer, which then distributes traffic to available workers. Workbooks and data sources are primarily managed by our storage system, which consists of Amazon RDS and Amazon S3. And that helps us scale seamlessly as more content around the globe is added. For disaster recovery, Tableau Cloud backs up its data for each pod daily, and the redundancy of those backups is 30 days, replicated across multiple AZs as well. Given our highly available architecture, we have a near null RTO. And we know that at Tableau Cloud, security, privacy is beyond fundamentally important to your organization. And so that's why we take it so seriously. At present, we are Tableau Cloud is SOC 2 and SOC 3 compliant. We have ISO certifications as 27001, 0017, and 018 as well. And these are the global gold standards in compliance. All data in Tableau Cloud is encrypted at rest using AES 256, and all data between the client and Tableau Cloud is encrypted using TLS 1.2, which protects data in transit. Additionally, we continue to evolve in this compliance space and certification space. That's why we're constantly adding more and more certifications. Recently, we achieved our TISAC certification, which is geared towards specific German auto manufacturers.
Thanks, Evan. As is evidenced by the reInvent present this year, 2022 is a big year for cloud data. Forrester released a report earlier this year indicating that this is the first year where more than half of enterprise data workloads are already in the cloud. As more and more data comes to the cloud, we want to talk about a couple of the things within the Tableau Cloud platform that helps you meet that surge of demand for that data. The first is Tableau Data Management. So with data management, you're going to be able to more seamlessly scale the security, the data preparation, and data literacy within your organization. With data management's virtual connections, you can govern your secure access and security policies at the data connectivity layer that allow you to centralize that workload and then make sure it affects all downstream assets. You're also able to use Tableau Data Catalog to surface metadata about your data to your consumers at the point of consumption. So when they open up a dashboard, they understand what is the data they're looking at, how did it get here, maybe for the really curious, how do I really look at this calculation, what does it mean? And then Tableau Data Prep allows you to simply, with a no-code, easy-to-use tool, streamline your preparation of data, cleaning, transformation, and loading it into Tableau, helping you flip the 80-20 rule for your analytics so you can spend 80% of your time analyzing that data, getting value out of it, rather than spending it all preparing the data. And the second aspect is advanced management. So last May at Tableau Conference, which we think of as the Coachella of data analytics, we released advanced management for Tableau Cloud. It came with lots of different features, but the highlights here are that we provided more rich data about the environment so that your administrators, your users understand what's happening and streamline governance policies. It provides the content migration tool, which allows you a tool, again, no code, to simplify and govern your content promotion workflow, moving that through dev, stage, test, prod for your analytic creators. Also enhances the security model by enriching the shared security model with customer managed encryption keys. And it helps you scale across the enterprise by providing greater site capacity restraints for all your users so they have access to the data they need when they need it. And just the last couple of minutes here, we're going to talk about customers who are thinking about moving from our legacy Tableau server, which is either on-prem or can also be in the public cloud like AWS, and thinking about moving to our SaaS offering, Tableau Cloud. So in the last year, over 600,000 users decided to make the move to Tableau Cloud. They're moving because they're tired of waiting to be on the latest and greatest Tableau and new upgrades, tired of waiting for IT to provision new hardware to meet the workloads of new use cases, and ultimately they're just tired of waiting to get their hands on more Tableau. But we are seeing people make this move because they want to take advantage of not only the new features, but automatic zero-time upgrades, making sure that they have access to all of the aspects that they've been waiting to get a hold of because they're no longer waiting for IT to provision all the new hardware to get going. They're moving to make faster, smarter decisions, and ultimately to take advantage of the full platform, all while minimizing the operational costs at the company. Splunk is a customer just like that. They came to us a couple years ago, actually, and chose to migrate to Tableau Cloud to align their people investments with their strategic initiatives at the company. Within the first year, they had found and recognized over $300,000 US spend reduction, and are actually able to finally scale Tableau to the number of people they had wanted to all along, because they're no longer waiting for all the hardware to match the workloads. We worked with their senior director to understand what the benefit was to them, and they said that having Tableau in the cloud, like their other properties, was a huge asset. They not only get the benefits of scalability, hands-off administration, but they really get to demonstrate to their customers that they are truly cloud first. If you're in the audience and you're thinking about that, we just recommend reaching out to your account manager. They can help connect you with either our professional services team or my trusted migration partner, who are also here across the expo today to help you understand what that might look like for your organization. So please reach out to your account manager. Otherwise, thank you so much for joining us today.